What is up? It is your girl Zay Marie back with another synthetic wig try on, y'all. I am feeling this wig so much. She is so freaking cute. Look at this color. Like, look at the crimps. I wish you could feel her. She feels absolutely like just so beautiful. Like, everybody is sleep. Like, so sleep on synthetic wigs. Synthetic wigs have definitely made a come up, a comeback. Like, please don't sleep on synthetic wigs, okay? I am going to review the Melt Plus. Who is this by? I don't know, like, I'm gonna put it in the title, but it's the Melt Plus Deep Middle Part wig. It's a crimped hairstyle with HD lace, and this is the style Manny in the color Carmel Night. She's got, I want to say she's got like black at the bottom or behind it, so it comes like at the bottom also. Let me show you. So like this, you see, just like a little bit. But yeah, like, y'all, she is so pretty. She's giving me, I don't think there's inches on here, but she's giving me like 26, 28 inches, to be honest with you. She's really giving me some inches. I'm not gonna talk too much. I just wanted to show you guys what she looks like, how beautiful she is, and just let you know my review on her. I say 10 out of 10, hands down. This is probably my favorite wig that I've reviewed so far. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. After this review, I will be posting her on my Mercari, where I sell all of my wigs. So go ahead and check out the link in my bio if you want to purchase some wigs from me. I believe all of them are sold out, but yes, this is the Melt Plus wig, the crimped style, you guys. Check her out. I'll leave a link in the bio where I got her. I believe I got her from Amazon, y'all. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and let me know what you guys want me to review afterwards, what wig you want to see, which style you want to see, what makeup you want to see, girl. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance, you're nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those are me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicon and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. That like, ease out.
Chemistry, I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. All day long, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.